Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. I think after a long time I'm posting a video. So this video is something different. Today I'm going to share you a tip that you can use when building a website using Elementor. So I am the user. I am the kind of user who usually don't explore many of the things which comes with a page builders. So the one pretty things which I saw with Elementor, I would like to show you that. Might be you are the busy person and you don't read the documentation well. I am the same. So I found this pretty very helpful for me mm, because I stuck with one issue. For that reason, I when I tried to read the documentation, then I found this feature which is already there in Elementor. The issue which I was facing, I built a website. I built a website which was on a different domain, new profession. This was the domain. This was the previous domain on which I built an initial setup for this website. Usually, I think I did pretty much of the things, like made some global settings, added site settings, everything I did over here. Let me just go to homepage. Open up a global styles. It took me around 1 hour or 1 hour or half day for me to set up the entire website, setting up a logo, creating the pages, setting up everything for Elementor. On this website, it took me half of my day. So again, I face one issue with this website. This the current hosting which currently I am, it is really slow. I can't able to even edit or open Elementor properly on this hosting. So as this website is hosted over here, I have another website hosted, a new fresh website which is hosted on another instance, another fast VPS server, which is perfectly working well. So now what I did, I just installed everything. I have set up everything from scratch, added Elementor, set up all the plugins again. What I want to do, basically, export everything from this website and import it over here. When I was trying to do, basically, when I try to get this header from this website to this website, there was an issue that which I was facing. All the global stylings which I have added over here was not getting reflected on that website. So the stylings will get missing. The one thing which I found with Elementor is that you can completely export all your entire global configuration from Elementor export tool. What you need to do, just go to your WordPress dashboard, and under Elementor tab, we need to go under tools. This is my existing website. I'm trying to import everything, all the global settings which I've made over here. I'm trying to export them. So you need to go under Elementor tools. There is one tab, website template. Go under that, and here's one setting which Elementor has given to us, which we can utilize it. We can download this entire website settings, everything, the templates, codes, whichever you have added over here. We can completely or entirely download it in a zip file. Let me just proceed with export. If I click export, it will again, this is again a pretty good feature which Elementor provide. We can opt in for which all content we need, whether we need Elementor pages or post and everything. We can opt in the settings. For example, you just only want to import templates. You can only check this box. If you only want to import settings, you can check only this box and hit export as zip. Once you will get a zip, what you need to do, again come back to a new site, go under editor, tools, go under website template, and here apply a website template. Click import. It will ask you to import that zip file. Once you import that zip file, again it will ask which all content you want to import from that zip file. For example, if you have already chosen which all content to export, you just need to click on import. And if you want to specifically choose only the few content, for example, consider you have exported everything over here, only want to import a specific section over here, the Elementor has given that option too. So I think it is really good option, and the feature which Elementor has provided to us, we should utilize it when we face an issue of migrating or wanted to get the global settings from one side to another side. So instead of utilizing any third-party plugins, this is the pretty much easy and straightforward way that we can use. Yeah, thank you. If you like this tip, please subscribe and share with your friends, and do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to upload more videos with Elementor.